With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question here says, draw the pressure distance graph of a longitudinal wave and compare it with the displacement graph. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw two graphs. First one for pressure distance and the second one for displacement graph. Okay, so for the both the axis x-axis should be distance graph. Okay, so suppose we are having this as a x-axis or the distance axis. Okay, and there should be this axis also, this is also distance axis. Okay, so in this first one we are going to make it pressure distance graph. Okay, and for the second one we are going to make it as a displacement and distance graph. Okay, so let me write it here as pressure graph versus distance graph. Okay, and here it should be displacement graph versus distance graph. Okay, so suppose there is a cylinder, where a piston is attached, and it is moving to and fro. Okay, so the particles will be moving accordingly. So here let us assume that there are these many positions. Okay, suppose there are these many positions, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 4 and 5. So what will happen when the displacement will be maximum, the pressure will be minimum, correct? And the displacement can be, suppose this is the mean position, of a particle, so particle can move either to the left or either to the right. Okay, so in either case, if there is a displacement to the maximum, then the pressure should be or will be the minimum. Okay, so we will be concluding the same thing. Suppose if I am drawing this displacement versus distance graph, so if a particle is displaced fully, so what will happen, it will, after some time it will be at the mean position, and after that it will be at its extreme left or the opposite side. Okay, and then again it will be at its minimum position, and then it will be again at its extreme position, and then again at its minimum, and this so on. Okay, so this is displacement and distance graph. Now we are going to draw this pressure versus distance graph. Okay, so here it will be displacement is maximum, so the particle has been displaced to the farthest point, so here it will be feeling the minimum pressure, so here it will be going like this. And when the displacement is 0, so it is back at this position, it is a compression here, so the pressure will be the maximum. Okay, and then it will come at the mean position or the one, here it is not 0 but 1 atm. Okay, so, and then it will be going like this, and then this, and then this, and so on. Okay, so this is pressure distance graph and this is displacement distance graph. Okay, so conclusion, what is our conclusion is, if there is a displacement, if displaced, then pressure will fall or decreased. Okay, or if at mean position, or I would say at its original position, then the pressure will be increased. Okay, so this is how the graphs are. Okay, so I hope this was clear to you. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.